everyone, how are you today? Well, today we're going to do a craft with fish. And we're going to do some painting with some celery and paint. That makes an interesting design. Let's start with a poem. Fishy, fishy in the sea, won't you come and swim with me? Let's take some celery. We've got a nice outline of a fish, and you can pick this up at the library. You'll have to use your own celery, but if you don't have celery, you can even use carrots or anything else. And so we're going to do some fun painting. We're going to take our celery and dip it in the paint, and then it looks sort of like gills on a fish. And this is sort of fun to do. Let's try some orange. And we can just keep alternating our colors. Oh. That looks like the gills on a fish, or the scales on a fish, I guess it would be called. Goldfish, goldfish, swimming all around. Goldfish, goldfish, never makes a sound. Pretty little goldfish, never can talk. All it does is wiggle when it tries to walk. And that's a poem I was saying for you. Goldfish, goldfish, swimming all around. Goldfish, goldfish, never makes a sound. Pretty little goldfish never can talk. All it does is wiggle when it tries to walk. So let's just keep going with our painting here. To make a colorful fish, and we could add some more up here. It's fun to find different things to paint with at home. Oh, let's just add some more there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. And so there is a fun painting craft to do with a fish and some celery. If you would like to pick up one of these at the library, you can, or you can just make a fish at home. You can draw one and paint it with some celery or anything else you can find. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.